How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that you have a professional account. So first open your Instagram app and then go to the profile that you have on the lower right corner and click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Once you are here, click on Settings and then go to Account. Scroll down and click on Switch to Professional Account. Once you are right here, you may read through all of this. You may swipe left or continue. Click on Continue and then you may choose what best describes you. You may choose either health or beauty, editor, writer, and many more. You may also click on this button right here so that it will be displayed on your profile. Click on Done once you are done, and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may now go back to the messages section of your account. So let's just proceed right here. You may choose creator or business. So let's just choose creator. Then you may close this one and then go to the home page, go to chats right here, and then click on this button right here on the upper right of the screen. And then you may choose a lot of messages and then choose all of them and click on delete right here found on the lower right corner of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can delete all messages on Instagram at once. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.